Okay, hey guys, Minecraft Trekkie. Today I'm going to be switching things up a bit. I'm just gonna reposition the mic. It's gonna be like a 40 or so minute long video, so I don't want it to be wrong for the entire thing. So there you go. Today we're gonna do a let's build. Show you my design process. It's gonna be a 0.25 to 1 Kelvin. I got everything set up in my world. It's gonna be the one with the Enterprise E, the Enterprise B, and the JJ Primes, that world. If you remember that. So, this right here will be the scale of the JJ Prize. The JJ Prize is 735, and this is 450. And it appears I'm just gonna go rogue with this. I don't care about the scale. Okay. My mathematic ability leaves much to be desired. So I'm gonna plan this out. The saucer section should be about 3 tall. And this bit should be about, if you can see my cursor, I'll show you where it is. Right there. This bit right here should be about 4 blocks tall. 2 blocks, 3 blocks. Let's use that. This should be about 3 blocks and 2 blocks. So, in this video, I should also tell you this. I am going to be using music, and it's going to go through Premiere. So, this was recorded a while ago, before it goes out. Just thought you should know that. Not really very relevant, but I just felt like you guys should know that. So, I'll start the construction. This will also be a little tutorial on how to use World Edit. I should also probably bring up this. This is an excellent website. You can actually search the name of a block. Like gray wool, that's 35/8. I probably should have remembered that. It's gonna be a great resource. 35/8. So if this is 3 blocks tall, I have a pair of scissors here. I can use to measure stuff. I'm setting my scissors as a sort of divider that tells how tall something is and lets me transfer that height. You know what I mean? Okay, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, it's going to take a while, 9, 10, you need nice unlubricated scissors for this, 10, 11, 12, so the radius is going to be about 10.5, so if I do calculate 10.5 times 3, you can bring up the calculator. 10.5 times 3 is 31.5. So I'm going to round that up to 32. The radius is going to be 32. Let's just see what that looks like. So in order to do this, so H cylinder, so that the command is HSCYL. Says I'm gonna want some height to it. I have to type in the command with both radii, so the X and Y. Imagine the Z is the upward direction, so I want my X, comma, Y. This is a perfect circle. It's got to stay the same. It's going to be 3 high. And then I put the block right here. It's the 8th wool. There we go. See how that looks. That doesn't look like a very good circle. Let's see. It needs to be thinner. Jesus. Okay. This is going to be really big, apparently. Seriously, stop it. I need to make a center point, so let's put a block up in the air. So, position 1. Whoops. Position 1. Position 2. And then set that to stone. There. Now I have a stone block right underneath my feet. I've never actually done that before. It's probably worked. Okay, so this I'm gonna have to make saucer bigger. Let's move it over this way. Now, if I want to do the same command I did earlier, I type a slash and then press the up arrow a few times until I reach it. So we're going to change these values to 40. Sounds like a good even number. Okay. I'm feeling like going back to 32. And then making it 2 blocks tall, so undo it. Go all the way up till I reach 32 and change this 3 to a 2. That looks way better actually. But this is not the best circle I've ever seen. This circle looks kind of sloppy. But I do like this. So, what I'm going to do is, for block up here, this is a very great way of measuring stuff. Bring it all the way back till the radius of the circle. I want the top circle, so that's about right. So it can't be on the very middle, so let's bring it right here. Get my wand. If you want your wand, type / wand. That's for what I want to know. Now change this to wood or diorite. Okay, now I'm not supposed to diorite, so let's just make it wood. Or just 35. Oh, that's what it applied. I don't know how to spell stuff. 35 is wool. See this number right here? That number in the bottom left corner, it says 45 blocks of change. That's the measurement from there to there. They changed 45 blocks. So let's just grab this. The wand, you set the first position by left clicking, and second one by right clicking. So set that to air. Get my night vision back. Since I already have this circle, this is a really good method of deleting a circle, but you've been doing a lot of world in between and you don't want to do it. So go up until you find these exact circle dimensions, stand on your center point. Well, instead of 35.8, make it 0. And then that circle should be turned into air, and then you have a clean slate. So I should make it 45 by 45. Make it 35.8. Wool is 35, and the light gray wool is number 8. So that's why it's colon. It's about the same size as a JJ prize, but it looks a lot better. So now, watch this. / fill 35. Think of it this way, of the fill command like this. If you ever use MS Paint, the paint bucket thing, you draw sort of like a freehand thing, and if it's closed off, it'll paint inside the closed off area. This is what it'll do. So set to 35.8. No. But wait, before I do that, or you can just press escape to get out of the checks. But actually, let's try 3, see what it looks like. It might not look bad. I'm gonna have to live with it. That looks good. Okay. And bring this center point down. Always maintain your center point. That'll make the life a lot easier. So I'm gonna make a circle. Considering I don't want a height to it, all I gotta do is give it a dimension in the radii. So what should I give it? Let's try 20. I'm making the center bulge right now on the bottom. It should be right underneath that. Yes, it is. Let's go and take a look at what it looks like. It looks good. I can delete to 20 and say fill. Make this 21. Kind of like a circle. Does it at a radius. You gotta wait for it to load though. So yeah, as you see, 1,200 blocks are being created right now. It's gonna take a little while. And while it's doing this, I cannot do any world edit stuff. Keep that in mind. If you ever use world edit, never use world edit while something's loading in world edit. Just don't do it. I guess I can just speed this up. Sometimes it moves you back. I don't know why. Maybe it's just a glitch. I like to use sea lanterns to determine the center point. Bring it all the way up. That's a glitch with Roll. Sometimes blocks are placed and they disappear for no reason whatsoever, so just keep that in mind. So now, delete some of this. Now I can make a new circle under here. This H in front of the cylinder means hollow, so it won't have any filling in it. So cylinder, it's going to be 35, 8, 10. See what that looks like. Since it's a lot smaller of a circle, it's going to take a lot shorter amount of time to load. Now let's do 5. We're drawing in the circle exponentially. All this talking is tiring. Okay. Seeing what the chip looks like. What's the bottom look like? It doesn't even have a bottom view. That would be helpful, but oh well. I guess I'll just have to deal with it. Most of the ships I've seen have a planetary sensor, so I'm just going to put that under there. So I'm going to bring it 1 in. There's this little dome thing on the bottom, so we'll make it 4. Yep. Now make a 2 wide area of glowstone. 2. I can also type in the word glowstone if I want to. Glowstone. Check that out. See what this looks like. Yep, there's a nice planetary sensor. I'm going to keep this here. And I'm going to fast forward. Hey guys, I'm back. I did move, just teleport from there to there. I know that. Okay. So, now what I'm going to do is add a little bit of detail to the sausage section, and then add where's the picture? This bit, which is that. I don't know if I can get to this bit and this bit yet in this video, but I will try. It's just a long tube, I guess you could say. So, let's see what kind of detailing there is on here. Considering this is so huge, I think I can actually put this lettering on here. But I'll do that later. Okay, I will do that later. 0514. It'd be cool if I could actually do the Aztecing. I can, but it would be way too time consuming and I'm too lazy for that. So let's do this. Let's see what kind of angle it is. See if I can find a better picture of all the views. Here's a good one. Oh, there's a good view. Okay. It goes up just a little bit past the bit. There you go. I should be able to figure this out. Back. So. It goes out just a little bit past the impulse engines, so. You know what? Let's go ahead and make these impulse engines. I'm really bad at making long lines. You know what? I don't know what I'm doing here. Okay. I think I've shown you this command countless times. Yes, I have in fact shown you this command countless times. What I have to do, you want to mirror, stand right the greater object. So type in // be selected, and you have to copy it when you're in this position. Okay, and you flip it by doing // flip command, and you paste it. You're basically copying the copy and then putting it in after you paste it. So if I'm lucky, see, there you go. Look at that. I probably should have done that when I actually had the redness in there, but oh well. Sorry about that. That was pretty. I think I'm going to use a redstone block for the engine, so. There we go. Now I'm going to do something really cool with this. You just watch. Okay. I do apologize if the block sounds and the block placement is not exactly in tune. I don't know why Premiere does that. Check that out. That looks just plain amazing. If I but I like that actually. Okay, I'm turning down the volume. I'm trying to make sure it matches the same orientation as that, so. Take a look at the picture. Blurry as crap, but oh well. Oh, I'm getting tired. So that should be 2222. Here we go. Or I can just do it by 2. But I guess I can do this. No, right here. Move one, and then move this end. Let's see where this ends up. It ends up in the perfect spot. Awesome. I feel like moving that out a little bit. Right about the center. Set it to 35. And from here, okay. So I can that was a weird lag spike, but oh well. Copy. Flip. Paste. Then this back a little bit. Let's just be in the back. To the game. Okay. Good. I want to go to bed. Sorry. Draw it all back to that area over there. Don't go too fast, otherwise with you. Just make it a little bit. I think that looks kind of cool. So put a block here and copy it. Camera position doesn't work, so you have to restart. Side paste. Copy / flip paste. Get rid of these. Now I can draw these all the way forward. So it merges with that. Now I'm almost there. Have a picking. Thing. Okay. I should use polish andesite for this bit right here. Oh, right here. Adds a little bit of design in the back here. What's it look like? Cool. I can figure that out. This back one. How about what kind of material do I want here? How about this? No, I didn't say that. What did I select? Oh, I selected cobblestone. That's actually what I did select, so. This is a very crucial step. It's not hard, just light up everything inside of big areas, so that when it is not in peaceful mode, you don't get big mobs spawned in here. Big mobs and mobs are not good. Especially when they have pitchforks. Look at that. I don't need to toot my own horn, but that was cool. You know what? I'm just gonna finish this today. I don't care how long it takes to compile. I want this to be a full video. I'm just gonna do an overnight compilation of this. It's not gonna be a video compilation. It's gonna be from Premiere and turn it into a video. Okay? That's what I mean by compiling. Okay? Apparently I need to change that. That's what it's supposed to look like. Let's give it this design like that. Now I'm going to use a stack command. Stack 1. You can do a direction like up, down, left, or right, or north, east, west, but you can also do the direction you're facing. Since I did it on the wrong side, I'm going to have to do it twice. That was weird. I don't think I got all the points. Must have glitched out again. This is also pretty cool. Watch this. You can also do it diagonally. Well, there's something you can do diagonally. I don't think it's that, apparently. Let's bring this all the way over here. Set 35, 8. And then we have that. Whoops. Okay. It's not much of a strut, so let's see what the back looks like. Okay. I didn't even look at the angle. I think they're about the same angle, yeah. But I won't have any of that, so I don't know what this is doing here. one last level. I do apologize if this video is getting kind of boring, but it's the best I can do. Stack 2. No, I forgot to delete the 1. 2. You cannot fill in vertically. That's one thing you guys should know. You cannot do that. Don't know why, you just can't. I bet you can, but I just don't know the command. It's looking good. I'm gonna have to add some detail in here as well. That was a glitch. See how that looks compared to the model. Good. That's kind of cool. This shouldn't be too hard. It's just a very simple pill type of shape. It's all symmetrical except for the back, so we'll just stop here and then start shaping the back. Let's see, I gotta measure this out. This is 3 high. Then the engineering section, I gotta get my mouse so I can mark this right here. 9, 6, 9, 12. 13.5 blocks high. See what 14, I'm gonna definitely have to round that up. I can actually select one block, so here's the up command, stack 13 up. I can make a 14 long line. This is counted, so 13 on top of that. That is the right size. Going to start shaping it. Really isn't all that long. I never really mirrored something upwards before, so see if this works. No? Right here. I never ever mirrored something upwards before, I swear, I never have. / copy, / flip, / paste. Let's just make sure this is center. It is, it's working, it looks good. know why that was sent upwards. It's just a weird glitch. The way I can make this into a cylinder is actually quite interesting. It's all using the stack command. There we go, anything beyond that is a Shuttlebay. It's actually a whole lot longer, I guess. Did not know that. Here is the right length. Getting chunk glitches. Something you should know about WorldNet, it can be pretty glitchy. I'll try to reset the chunks here. So, if I'm right, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Screw that up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Let's try 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So that's what that kind of cylinder looks like. So it needs to go 5. So 1, 2. 1, 2. Bring it up 2. Go 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bring it up 2. There we go. That's the cylinder. Now, all I gotta do, bring a block down to there, and bring a block to the opposite corner, like that. So select this cylinder, like that, and make it non-dark, and type in stack. Let's try 12. Not more than that. You can actually stack it on top of itself, so instead of 12 I can go 17 without even undoing it. I didn't even specify what I wanted it to do. I did it again. I can't type. Now I need to add 3 more, so it's going to be exactly 20. There we go. Like that, and I have a cylinder. That's the only way I know to make a sideways cylinder. So make it 6 this time. Now this one should be 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. It's 5 and then a corner. Corner. A corner. And 5. I hope this is really not too boring. I would greatly appreciate it if you watch to the end, because I really like to see those view times pretty high. I'm not that boring. If you're a Trekkie, this should be pretty interesting, shouldn't it? I feel like it should. Yeah, it's pretty interesting, isn't it? Yeah. Trying my best not to bore you, so I'm gonna add some music into this. Oh, that's the first position, not the second position. Let's try 30. Stack 30. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Stack 36. Just change that to 0 to 6, and I got it. And then I can set this to air. You might be thinking this is going to cause some problems, but I just have to shape it to kind of blend in. Set 0. The ID for air is 0. No. Bring it out like this. It's nice little bit of shaping to it to make it look more interesting. Always do this. I think I forgot to do it on the Enterprise, that's why it looks kind of blocky. Of course it's gonna look blocky, it's Minecraft, of course. Bring that up by 4. Same thing on all 4 sides. Two. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. Yeah, look at that. Perfect transition. I already know what this should look like. Whoops. I'm just gonna fast forward through this. Hey guys, I am back. So, there's something, I have a new lesson for you guys. This is a very important lesson when it comes to shipbuilding like this. That lesson is, it's size over detail. You're like, what? Trekkie, what? What does that mean? Okay, think of it this way. What was I about to say? Okay, see this deflector dish? If you look at this, notice how the sides are gray, but the front, where's the front? The front is like the JJ fries, it's all blue and crap. What I mean by size over detail is, had I wanted the blue bits in it, this would have to be, I would have to make another layer. But then that would be way too big. So that's hidden over here, but it's not in here. And then I would have to do something like this. So that's a cone shape. Just don't do that. I'm trying to find another example for you guys. Okay, let's say, oh, yeah. Let's say you want to make a shuttlecraft. Just make a cool little shuttlecraft. But you want it to be to scale with another ship. Whatever happens, just look at this video. It's very important that you understand this. Never, under any circumstances, you try to put detail in something that detail would make it too big. Just never do that. If the detail you want to put in a creation makes it too big, ignore the detail. Okay? So this is as small as I can make the shuttle, but I can't make the engines. But if I do make the engines, it wouldn't fit in the ship. See what I mean? Never do that. Make sure it's the right size, and then add the detail. Okay? Sound good? Okay. That's my lesson for you today. So now let's work on the back Shuttlebay. Remember those words. Size over detail. Size over detail. Never sacrifice size for detail. Okay? Just never do that. It'll just look awful in the end. Actually, it won't look awful. It'll just be way out of scale. Okay, let's do another time lapse. Cue the music and speed it up. I'm back after that. Ryan's down here now. I just finished the Shuttlebay. So,
Okay.
I hope that was a pretty great time lapse. Well, actually, I haven't finished it apparently. I forgot to finish these shuttles. Okay, see? Let's now start on the bottom. Whoops. So, just make a time lapse of this as well, I guess. So, bye. Hey guys, I'm back.
Alright.
Shut up, Ryan. Okay. I finished. So this video is almost over. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be pushing an hour, maybe an hour and a half. But
Wait,
I'm determined.
I need to be the one that picks it up because I got the helicopter.
Shh. Talk quieter. Well, he's not done yet. I have to move the date. And then the other center line. And it should be done. So there you go. You now know my design process. So there you go. And go ahead and end that
Dude, I'm gonna get a cargo box.
this video right about now, and bye.